Over the next few minutes, you're about to learn how you could easily earn an extra $200, $500, or even $1,000 per week or more from the comfort of your home. Let me introduce you to our program called Cash Building System Unlimited. By utilizing our direct mail postcard marketing system through the Cash Building System Unlimited Compensation Pay Plan, you could easily build yourself a flow of cash each and every week as your team grows. Let me explain how simple our program works. Cash Building System Unlimited is a simple two-phase program. The cost of Phase 1 to join is just a $50 membership fee. You will receive 200 postcards and 200 names of prospects on peel and stick labels to mail your postcards to. You will also receive a Phase 2 upgrade form, postcard order form, your personal member ID number, and much more. Also, for every new member that you personally enroll into the program, you will earn $25. When you are ready to make bigger money, just upgrade to Phase 2 of our program. Now, here's where the program gets really exciting. You will earn additional $70 to $3,500 for every Phase 2 upgrade membership from your personals, and your sponsor will earn up to $20 to $1,000. Example of how Phase 2 works. Pick the level that you are joining, and then pay each member on that level. Your one-time commission will be dependent on your level and the level that each member you personally bring into the program. Examples. Let's say you join at level 4 and your new member joins at level 1. You make $70 and your sponsor would earn $20. If your new member joins level 2, you make $350 and your sponsor would earn $100. If your new member joins level 4, you make $1,050, and your sponsor would earn $300. You get the picture. Join Phase 2 as soon as possible to avoid missing out on future commissions. If you are not a member of Phase 2, we will send your sponsor's Phase 2 upgrade form to your new members. Don't let this happen. Now let's talk about bonuses. Fast Start Bonus. You will be paid $25 for each new Phase 1 member that you have personally enrolled into the program. Spillover Bonus. You will get paid up to the level of Phase 2 that you have signed up for. Any money above that goes to your sponsor, up to their level. This is Spillover. Upgrade Bonus. If one of your personal downline members upgrades to a higher Phase 2 level, you will receive $200 per level. You can upgrade at any time. Just send in the difference between level you are currently at and the level that you are upgrading to. So there you have it. If you have been searching for a simple, low-cost to start, easy-to-do business opportunity that could earn you some serious cash from home, you have found it. Fill in the information on the back side of the postcard that you have received and mail it along with your $50 membership fee today. Or if you are ready to join now, just click the link below this video. You have been given the business opportunity that could financially change your life and the life of your family for the good. But only you can decide right now whether or not to take advantage of it.